Namaste. This is the class of Human Anatomy and Physiology 1. Today's topic is thermodynamic of transport. So, we know the membrane. Membrane provide barrier function extras to the extracellular organelles or organelles. Barriers can be overcome by transport protein to mediate the transmembrane movement of iron, sodium, and potassium. Next, nutrient, glucose, amino acids, and water. Thermodynamic of transport. In this, the diffusion of a substance A across the two sides of the membrane thermodynamic resemble a chemical equilibrium. So, A is a substance which will maintain a chemical equilibrium by A out to A in. Resemble a chemical equilibrium in this. In the following section, the free energy of solute A varies with its concentration, where Ga is the chemical composition. So, Ga is chemical potential of A and G naught A is chemical potential of standard state of A. So Ga minus G naught A equal to RT in. If the membrane has a potential, that is like plasma membrane has a potential of 100 MV inside negative, then Ga is termed as the electrochemical potential of A. Thus, G naught A is the chemical potential of is standard state, as I told you. If the concentration of A outside the membrane is greater than the inside, then Ga for the transport of A from outside to the cell will be negative and the spontaneous air flow of A will be inward. Conversely, if A is greater inside than the outside, then Ga is positive and an inward net flow of A can occur only if an exeronic process such as ATP hydrolysis is coupled to it to make the over-free energy change. The transmembrane movement of ion also depend in the change difference across the membrane, therefore generating an electrical potential difference which is given by A in minus A out, where the potential of A is termed the membrane potential. Okay, so this in this the thermodynamic. There are two type of transport across the membrane. First is non-mediated transport, means occur by the passive diffusion like oxygen and carbon dioxide, as I told you in the previous lecture. And next is the mediate transport, occurred by dedicated transport protein like passive mediate transport facilitate diffusion high to low and active transport low to high. Many require energy in form of ATP or in the form of a membrane potential. Okay, then second is the passive mediate transport, substance that are too large and too polar. जो substance बहुत large और बहुत polar होते हैं, to diffuse across the bilayer must be transported by the protein carrier, like carriers, permease, channels and transporters, like ionophores, porins, ion channel, aquaphores and transport proteins. So these are the example. So ionophores is the organic molecule of derived type, often the bacterial origin. Okay, so increase the permeability of the target membrane. Ionophores means अब कोई भी कुछ ऐसे सब्सटेंस भी होते हैं जो नहीं जा पाते हैं, जो ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. फॉर डैट वी नीड सम ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोटीन. वैसे ही वही एग्जाम्पल्स है आयनोफोर्स, पोरिन, आयन चैनल, एक्वापोरिन एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोटीन्स. सो आयनोफोर्स जो है वो बैक्टीरियल ऑरिजिन होते हैं एंड टारगेट मेम्ब्रेन फॉर आयंस. Frequently antibiotics result in collapse of target membrane potential by the ion equilibration. जैसे एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं वेलिनोमाइसिन. ओके, वेलिनोमाइसिन जो है इज़ द बेस्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक आयनोफोर्स बाइंडिंग potassium ions. It is cyclic peptide with proteins. Okay, so this is the example of the ionophores, and this here we have completed this thermodynamic transport. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.